Add another domain name. Welcome to M365 Professional. Your company might have multiple domain names that it uses for different purposes. For example, contoso.com and contoso.net. In our case, we want to add a different spelling of our company name because customers have already been using it and have failed to reach us. Let's see how to add another domain name. From the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, choose Setup. Then under Get Your Custom Domain Setup, select View. Choose Manage. Then Add Domain. Enter the new domain you want to add. Select Next. Because our domain is registered at GoDaddy, we can sign in from here. Choose Sign in at GoDaddy and select Next. If prompted, sign into your registrar, then choose Authorize. Choose Add the DNS records for me, then Next. We'll choose Exchange and deselect Skype and Mobile. Since we already have a domain for those services, and we just want to use this domain for email, select Next. Authorize. Next. Then Finish. Your new domain has been added. In order to receive email with this new domain, you'll need to add it as a new email alias for each user. Select Users, Active Users, then the user you want to add the email alias for. Choose Manage Email Aliases, then add an alias. Enter the username. Use the drop-down to choose your new domain. Select Save Changes. Then close the windows. Repeat these steps for everyone who should receive email with a new domain. Emails to the new alias will now be redirected to the user's primary email account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.